I came across Easy Kit Homes pretty early on in my research. I was instantly drawn to it. It just completely complemented the look of our own house. I loved that they were made of timber, that they were a quick build, sustainable materials, just it really ticked all the boxes.
When we got to the block, we noticed that it was a nice big open block, which works perfect. However, we didn't want to just put a building in the backyard. It still had to tie in with the existing house. We had to change a few things on this model to suit council heights. So we had to change the pitch of the roof to get it under our building height envelope. We also had to factor in that we're on a main road. We had low power lines for unloading and loading of trucks, and we also had narrow access in and out of the property. Like most of our builds, when we get on site, we probably spend a few days doing the piers, and the clients sort of think, what's going on? You know, we're not that far ahead. And then within 2 days, we have a whole building in the backyard, which is the beauty of our builds. They are very quick to go up. If you can get all the trades lined up in everything that we need and perfect weather, we can do a build this size anywhere between 30 and 40 days. And that's complete from footings to basically giving the key to the client to move in. They're very similar to a traditional log cabin that they've been doing for hundreds of years around the world. But basically because they are like a big Lego set. So everything just locks together. There's no nails needed, no mud, tar or anything to seal any of your gaps. So they lock together, and then we put cyclone booker rod down each corner to tighten it up. So they are cyclone proof also. What we also did is we joined the existing deck from the pool area to the deck on the cabin. So it sort of tied both the granny flat and the pool area in together. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. I think it looks like it's been there for years, like it was part of the original build. So it tied in really nicely.
It was a thrill when this was finished and the kids could move in. We've put our 2 older teenagers in here. It's just completely changed our world having them in this space.
Everyone who comes over is blown away by it, and from tradies to friends, everyone is like really impressed with the look. The tradies are impressed with the quality of the build. So we just feel like we made the best investment we've ever made.